real bawdacat there. Story time now, you know.
He's different man.
He is different man.
What kind of food?
Come on,
Where
man.
we go?
We have well not for cost money run. You only look at blood class.
That's who you pay the man. He can't get a drink from the cologne.
Let me drink.
Drink a rum.
Just ask you not because, brother. Yo. No, this is not fuck. When man come work for me, you know, we pay them and we eat and drink and smoke till they done. When them gone, I hit that. That's how we deal with so we deal with the deal. Someone know how we deal with people when I'm help him. By get pay when I have to quarrel. And if not get pay up to the max, I want to change the max. Yeah. Treat the man good work, the man come back. And you get some work done.
You see?
Fucking mean, you're a trooper.
A true.
Yeah,
Run from the conversation.
We a big man, brother. We just start the truth, man.
So, how much you get? How much I little bit?
$1,000.
300.
200 me take it from by and dash way. I'm keeping our blood class. Remember,
$200.
remember, on your lunchtime he come back and give you $200.
200.
And I will take you out to buy and dash way and say you know blood clot money. And the lunchtime he come back and give.
No man, slave master, man.
Wicked man.
Yeah, man. You can't deal with the man, sir, brother. $200, man. Yeah, man, that's a wickedness, papa. Oh, God.
Wickedness.
You know, that.
If it works, and then when me I go do when me tired, drop down.
Drop down, man.
I go stop and rest, man. White man fire me.
You just a kill self straight, sir.
So white man I tell himself so me can't tired.
We are slave.
Yeah.
Yeah, some man will like kill self call a boss and when you see boss and kill up
Yeah,
yourself. You know?
kill self, hard like buy. Hard like my best. So you see man on your foot here, so buy. Take your time, man. But I see doing business with you, brother. So we are work so hard again. So you're not done there, man. You have as good workers already.
We are
do
proof.
that for them say cool yourself, brother, man. You hurt yourself.
You must be afraid in losing work.
Hey, boss don't know who can work for who can work already. You know, if you do something, that's far. Boss come near me and turn idiot. Show all how much is sun and how much is empty bucket. So watch all you too. I've done fool, man. Boss no business with the man, never know. Boss just know say what I know, say when say we do, I do. Yeah. Boss now tell a man say boy no ease up, no rest. Boss now do that.
Boss do that man you have to go home.
You have to go home in a one day, I can't work more one day. I work that day, I not done. Yeah, man. So boss himself knows a man have to work and take a blow, you know, and go again.
And go again.
Yeah, man. Work and take.
Who that?
Every pay week, him can clean clothes with change and him no beard. So big beard set him Friday, buy your beard. Yeah. Where am I go? Where am I go? Him nah go nowhere.
You not have a gas soap.
No, him nah blood clot. Go lie my tell pan teach field. But every Friday, him go up there with girl.
And a beard.
Hey, which girl you can't go in a bed with them for dirty blood clot cement? Yeah, you know him work and nasty himself. So you are go in a bed now with girl after a whole day in a sun and walk so brother. But you start sweating a bed and now with girl you not get stink. Me tell him say brother you have to go beard man. rub on little something on your skin. Spray a little something under your arm or so, you know? Put on your clean clothes. Yeah, with the blood clot, you have drawn clothes over this dirty skin. And you see a girl come from town.
Who did good and nasty and
Dirty blood clot girl that can't go to come.
a girl in the beard.
Girl then on a taste, brother. Hey, and when him look on yours, him not say you're dirty. Him say, I read that, brother. Clean up yourself, man. Lie him a tell upon himself. And the little dirty girl him a go on a
So can't tell what they lie upon girl?
About what?
We don't know say
Girl hole?
Yeah.
No, brother, I don't tell lie upon girl hole. Tell lie upon girl hole, you know, can't get no hole, you know.
Yeah, you sure?
Yeah, man, can't get no girl hole, man. You tell lie upon girl hole, you starve for fuck. Girl now want your brother, cause you all liar. Girl I got just disgrace your road. Hold you in a conference, say if you ever fuck him yet and them there's something, where you go say? Where you go?
Oh, you mean? You don't remember girl?
No, I tell
Yeah, someone I go say, oh, girl, and a member say me they go on the so.
Me a cuss girl and tell him say members. Me a cuss girl and just tell him say members say you did suck me wood when me would did dirty, you know, girl. And me would did have enough dirty custard and you know forgot. Members say you did do it. Girl ball and left him work. Bartender to you know.
Yeah, girl cuss.
So I mean, cuss that blood clot over marriage in a bar.
Both all?
So no, just a hype. And me just tell him, say, yo, girl, you know say me we cuss your blood clot and him a tell them boy nobody can cuss him. When me done cuss him, not even him pay him now yet for. Him don't even work back at the bar, him left your fuck. And boy say, cat, you know, easy you make a girl left him work, man. And me say, you mean, me afraid him. Cuss that blood clot and run him, because you know, years we there at the place. And she come there as a new worker, but him have to deal with people like him can't style away. And him no know say Winnie him styling, brother. Oh, me done style that blood clot. Me say not even him pain or wait for brother and left for work instant. Ball your fuck. What I'm friend did I fuck him, my friend. Friend say boy can't really make me girl gone, man. Me say I say go, brother.
Yeah, man tell life on. Yeah, man tell life on wall, you know.
I really something for man to blood clean.
Oh yeah, man we tell life on girl whole man like how then tell life on duppy, you know. Yeah, man. You do then something there, brother.
No put it away.
No, brother. Me not tell no man, all when me and the woman are there, me I tell people say not me. Me a shaggy, you know. Yeah, man, not me. Me deal with brother.
Not me.
Not me. Yeah, brother. Me not tell no man about no girl, brother. You know, some man everywhere go tonight if him fucking come a work in talk. I say, but go on, no, I used to pussy, brother. Not really blood clot, idiot. That man now hear me come a work, I tell man how me turn waist last night, all night for what? Where that I go? That not benefit me nothing, brother. That is nothing at all, brother. A man now come a work and tell you him back blood clot face. He not talk that. He not talk how much a man fuck you all and something there. You have to talk them that to like the brother. But brave say man, them fuck him for true. But them can't come talk how them fuck girl. Yeah man. Them son who can't cool to brother. But no talk how girl whole big and no talk say how small and how small too. And tell people that too man. Cause no just a go on like a girl whole big. You know. Some of them a come for bottom girl hole, you know. Yeah man. Try buckwood for bottom girl hole. That no go on, brother.
So you want to try that?
No, brother.
You sure?
Me not try bottom, no precipice. No, brother. No girl hole no have no bottom. So where you go do? You have to just go in at this and enjoy yourself and left it alone. Where you want to do? And where you want to dig, yeah? Hey, where you want to do?
Hey, can't easy.
Bottom no girl hole, brother. Me no diver, you know. A diver alone, a bottom sea and river.
You know them fucking.
No, sir. Just tell yourself, say baggy, brother. Yeah, man. Oh, man, fuck band stage in a go-go club. That's a man down by and reach up, cocky drop down, can't come up back, you know. I say, then look how you go flap for yourself, brother.
Mr. Man, fuck up girl up there, mafia crawl, you know.
Yeah, man, mafia draw we left this, yeah. One soldier go up there one night, brother. Put fuck one girl, him have to fly off.
So one brother,
Yes, sire.
put long so till it draw can around, so you know. Yeah, man, and the girl them play with that on stage till it stand up, you know. Hey, you see when that blood clot stand up, a problem then girl they have on stage, you know.
Nobody can attack this.
Hey, I go see my girl. That's why I'm more than for you.
I come on and tell me, say, you ain't go buck in soldier in the bathroom, I hold a beard, take off him clothes and the man I say, my chick say, who the man you talk to for my sonny dog I deal with in the bathroom, so, you know? Man say, alright, and see dog in there, feel up himself and look all upon himself and I say, yo, you see all you? You're 55, you know look bad. You go on still, you know? Look for the maga chest and him say, boy, you're 55 too, you know? But you still a go on still, you know? Look down for the big belly and say, blood clot. You reach 55 too, you know? Anyway, you still a carry on, brother.
Yes, brother.
Go down a lower so and hook down your son and say, blood clot. You know, say if you never dead, you would have 55 too.
Oh, you get that brother dog.
Oh, me not give no more, brother. I go shot. I say, oh, if you never dead.
Yeah. Yeah, that
You
be
have 55 too, but anyway, go and live your life because you're dead already. Hey. Me when you're rusty.
What's the one, Rich?
Yeah, him have one shop. Say goods truck come there week time, come sell goods. Come have a birchin up there. And the truck come there 1 week. And lick the blood clot man in a brother. Me don't know like you know some long up high up back truck. Removal truck. And you have to big iron blood clot gate round our back there when them pull them, they then come around so. No way, bitch, you not do a pass down the man, them pull you and they lick him. Yeah, man, to me, cat. You don't know what's a fan that truck they lick me. Mood not even a stiff, you know, brother. Hey, me laugh your poke when the man tell me, hear him no, brother. After a pack, show me them pay no mind, yeah, man. Cause I know you don't use, yeah, man. You don't use. Nah, use so. He just did a put on. Say, master, no, not nipping a stiff no, brother. Cause I know that use. Just did a put on. So me say, that man, you really jam at the blood clot. Man, I'm not girl, brother. He's not dead, but him just not nothing to use the pan. Man say, nah, have nobody. It not use, brother.
Okay.
So me I say such a rass lick that the chuck the lick your brother, that's feud not stiff and that. Man said no man and him wake up with no stiff brother, but matter of fact him them paint a man kinda that use.
In a work on the truck or a pass my
Pass him a pass the truck, in a work on the truck. Man just a pass the truck and chuck back lick him. Man say yo this not that use brother. So not too worry about it.
Yeah, right.
Boy, you really sampling, brother. My man then say me a call a name in a too much video, so I not call a name, you know.
Oh.
Brother them and then say cat every time I see the name and everybody come to me say cat doing this. Me say alright, me not call no more on a name in no video call. No want to big up. Yeah man, me not call no name in no more brother. No blood clot there.
Boy.
I just start telling about one brother, you know. I can't tell you about the name again, you know. Yeah, man,
Everything is about the brother, you know.
yeah, that's the brother, you know.
I no want no name go up there, brother. Man, I fret. Same name I go too far.
Because we call it a name upon that, you know.
Yeah, problem. Everybody I gonna know who. We not call him name, brother.
Hear that name as the boy. As a man, they took the liquor.
Yeah, Uncle him now can know personal, say him me attack. Cause him know say him did tell me that blood clot. Yeah. Uncle him know.